Have you ever thought that orange peels or leftover segments could be hidden gems for your health? Don't throw them away just yet, because we can turn them into something truly wonderful. Today, I'll show you how to make aromatic dried ginger orange tea and refreshing fresh juice. Both are not only delicious, but also amazing for boosting your immunity. Wishing you wellness and purse. Making these at home helps us save more and reduce waste while only taking a few minutes each day to better care for your family's health. Let's get started. To start, I always look for beautifully ripe oranges with a deep, vibrant color and a firm feel. That's the secret to a fragrant batch of tea. Now, let's peel the oranges. Try to keep the pieces intact as much as possible. It'll make the strips look much more beautiful once we slice them. And you know what? Never throw these peels away. It's such a waste. In traditional medicine, these are known as chain pea. They're actually a hidden gem for respiratory health, helping to soothe coughs and clear away phlegm naturally. Most of us overlook them, but they're incredibly powerful. To make sure the peels are perfectly clean and to tone down that natural bitterness, I soak them in diluted salt water with a pinch of baking soda for just 10 minutes. It's a great way to wash away dirt and impurities. But remember, don't soak them for too long or the peels might actually reabsorb unwanted substances from the water. After a final rinse, let them drain. A quick pro tip, place the peels face down like this. The water drains away much faster, saving us quite a bit of waiting time. Once the peels are completely dry, I start slicing them into thin, uniform strips. Slicing them evenly like this doesn't just make the tea look better. More importantly, it ensures that when we roast them, the peels will dry quickly and evenly throughout. You won't have to worry about some parts burning while others stay damp. Studies show that orange peels are packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that support heart health. Turning them into tea is the perfect way to soak up all those benefits. Next to orange peels, old ginger is a must. I always choose mature roots. They might look a bit rough, but they offer the strongest medicinal benefits and warmth for your body. Make sure to break the ginger into smaller pieces so you can easily wash away any dirt trapped in the crevices. I'm rinsing them with salt water to ensure everything is perfectly clean before we start. After washing, just trim off any damaged or withered spots. Try not to peel them completely. The ginger skin actually contains a lot of essential oils and valuable nutrients. Just like the orange peels, I'll slice the ginger into very thin, uniform strips. This helps the two ingredients blend better together, and during roasting, it ensures the ginger reaches that perfect crispiness quickly without burning. Slicing it this way releases that wonderful, warm ginger aroma. The thinner the strips, the easier it is for all those medicinal benefits to infuse into your tea later on. Now let's start the roasting process. First, add the orange peels to a clean pan, no oil needed. Since orange peels have high water content, we'll roast them first on high heat for about 10 to 11 minutes. Keep stirring continuously. This helps the moisture evaporate quickly and prevents the peels from burning. Roasting them like this also mellows out the strong essential oils, making your final tea much smoother and more refreshing. Once the orange peels start to shrink and dry out like this, it's time to add the ginger. Now, lower the heat to medium so the two ingredients can start to blend and harmonize their flavors. Adding the ginger later ensures they both reach the perfect dryness at the same time. Since ginger has less moisture, adding it too early would cause it to burn before the orange peels are even ready. Finally, turn the heat down to the lowest setting and roast for another 16 minutes. You'll notice the mixture turning a deeper color, becoming perfectly crispy, and releasing a wonderful, warm aroma. To keep the tea fresh, I use a clean, dry glass jar. Make sure to use a clean, sterilized glass jar. Ensure it's completely dry to prevent mold and keep your tea fresh for longer. Once the tea has cooled down completely, transfer it to the jar and seal it tight. This way, you'll have a delicious tea blend to enjoy for up to 6 months. And there you have Itor homemade orange ginger tea is complete. Seal the lid tightly and store it in a cool, dry place. Seeing these evenly dried strips with such vibrant colors and catching that warm, rich aroma, it's truly worth every bit of effort. Whenever you're ready for a cup, just take a small amount of the tea blend add boiling water and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes so all the goodness can fully infuse. Wait until the tea cools down to about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius before adding honey. Never add it while the water is at 100 degrees Celsius. The high heat will destroy the valuable enzymes and alter the flavor, sometimes even making it turn sour. A warm, soothing cup of tea like this is the perfect way to care for yourself and your loved ones. I hope you give this a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Besides using the peels for dry tea, I always make sure to put the actual orange segments to good use by making fresh ginger orange juice. It's a super simple way to get a quick boost of vitamins. For the orange segments, I'll blend them and strain the juice. Using the whole orange ensures nothing goes to waste and gives us a refreshing drink instantly. Next, mix the orange juice with the prepared ginger extract. Keep in mind that ginger is very warm and potent, so a little goes a long way. Adding too much will overpower the orange aroma and might cause a harsh, burning sensation in your throat. The sweet and sour orange mixed with a hint of warm ginger is so refreshing, especially in the morning. It's a perfect duo. Vitamin C for immunity and ginger for better digestion. I hope these simple methods help you make the most of both orange peels and segments combined with ginger. It's a great way to reduce waste while boosting your health at the same time. If you give these a try, please share your thoughts with me. I'd love to know which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.